What's going on, guys? Jason back here again, and it's that time of the month again. We got the January 2019 prep box by PMP. That's me. So let's take a look at it. Alright, if you've been out of the loop and don't know what's going on, I started my own subscription box. We're going up on a year now. Next month, February, will be my 1 year box. But this one here is the January prep box. Some recent changes to it is there's only one level now. It's $100, and so I can include higher quality gear. Some other companies out there are trying to copy my style here lately. I'm sure you're aware of that if you've been a subscriber of mine for a while. But anyway, let's get into this one. It's the January 2019 prep box, and the first item up is this adjustable slingshot made by Marksman, or wrist rocket, you might want to call it. Here's a closer look at it. It's adjustable. You just loosen this up and you can pull these back and forth. Put you a BB in there or whatever, and wham! Pretty nice slingshot. Works good. Now, some states these are actually illegal, so instead of this you'll actually get a Kershaw pocket knife. I wish I didn't have to do that, but you know, some states just have some pretty dumb laws. But anyway, this has a value of $18.95, so that's the first item. And to go with that is a 1/4 inch steel hunting shot. There's 250 in here. Oh no. I was gonna say this one came broken, along with several other ones. I got a whole box full of broken ones, but the ones I sent you guys hopefully did not come apart. I did put them in a baggie just in case that happened. That's unfortunate. I got to pick all these up now, but it is what it is. That has a value of $4.95. Alright, the next item up you might have seen on the show Alone, and it is the Cold Steel Special Forces shovel. This was used by the winner. His name was Zachary Fowler. And this thing, it's a whole lot more than a shovel. As you can see, the edges of it are sharpened. You can throw this thing, stick it in a tree. In the Cold Steel demonstration video, they actually use this and they like bust open a pig's head. But this is one heck of a tool, and just one of them things you'll be glad to have when you need it, because it's not going to fail on you like a folding shovel like other companies will send you. But it has a value of $36.95 according to CodeSteel.com, and it is a heck of a shovel, let me tell you. It comes with this nice little case. You can attach it to your pack, even your belt, whatever you want to do with it. It's very nice, very well made. I mean, if somebody that wins one of them survival shows uses it, then you know it's got to be pretty decent. Now on to the last item, which was also used on the Alone show and by a winner, Alan K, I think his name was. But this is the Condor heavy duty Kukri, and this thing right here is a beast. And this is the main item in the whole box. It has a value of $104 by itself, something no other company has ever included. I mean, just look at that thing. Look how thick it is. That is a beast. Solid handle. It feels good in the hand. Look at it. Look at that. Would you look at that? She is a beauty. Comes with a nice leather sheath. Booyah. And it's well made as well. Just I don't know how to describe stuff all the time, but this thing right here, I mean, it's just amazing. Like I say, it has a value of $104. And this, I guess you could say this box has a lot of items if you consider the shot. There's 250 pieces in that, but generally there's only 4 items really. So, and the value, total value, comes to $164.85. And a special treat this month is you also get a code to save $5 off of your entire order on RoganUSA.com using the code 5OFF. so you're welcome for that. He makes some awesome stuff, which one of his tools will be coming up in the February box. It's called the Ranger, and it's a big beast of a tool as well. So go ahead and lock your order in for that. And if you're watching this right now, your January boxes are on the way. Alright, that's enough of me being awkward on video. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support, and go ahead and lock your order in for the January box. And there's still a couple days left to get the Prep Box Premier, which features the CMK2 made by Knight's Edge, which was made by a 17-year-old down in Texas. And goes to support not one but 2 small businesses. But as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and remember, be ready.